Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of entrepreneurship and online business. Today we're diving deep into the realm of e-commerce and uncovering strategies for success in the online marketplace. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore some powerful strategies to help you skyrocket your online business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your e-commerce venture to the next level, these tips will be invaluable. Strategy 1. Finding your niche. First things first, finding your niche is crucial. With so much competition in the e-commerce space, carving out a unique corner of the market is essential. Research trends, identify gaps, and pinpoint your target audience's pain points. Remember, the riches are in the niches. Once you've found your niche, it's time to move on to the next strategy. Strategy 2. Building a user-friendly website. Your website is your digital storefront, so make sure it's user-friendly and visually appealing. Invest in a clean and intuitive design. Optimize for mobile devices and streamline the checkout process. Remember, a seamless user experience can make all the difference in converting visitors into customers. Now, let's talk about driving traffic to your website. Strategy 3. Implementing effective digital marketing. In today's crowded online space, simply having a great website isn't enough. You need to actively drive traffic to it. Utilize a mix of digital marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, email campaigns, and search engine optimization (SEO) to attract potential customers. But attracting traffic is only half the battle. Let's move on to the next strategy. Strategy 4. Providing exceptional customer service. In the world of e-commerce, customer service is king. Make sure to provide exceptional support to your customers at every touchpoint. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns with empathy, and go above and beyond to exceed expectations. Happy customers are loyal customers. And finally, let's talk about the importance of analyzing data. Strategy 5. Analyzing data and iterating. Data is your secret weapon in the world of e-commerce. Use analytics tools to track key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Analyze this data regularly to identify patterns, spot opportunities for improvement, and iterate on your strategies accordingly. And there you have it, folks. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to e-commerce success. Remember, it's not just about selling products online. It's about building a thriving business that delights customers and drives growth. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and online business. Until next time, keep hustling.